Come ride the little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
It is run by Kate, come and be her guest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe, he's a moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction.
Hey group, since moved over to Chatfield, this is train 179 coming. Do have some workers over there in the area. Potassium hydroxide was on that one tanker. Looks like we got paraffin wax. Appears to be a DPU on the end down there too. Yep. $12.30. I've seen that number before. I gotta look that up. There she goes. Hey, I'm gonna hang here for a while because I believe there's a wheeling of Lake Erie coming from the far tracks over there. I heard a dispatch from Carrie though, from Mott Road, and he said something about GM, but I'm not sure where that is. I have a feeling there's a siding down there that might be called GM down there, but all right, we'll hang around and listen for wheeling. We'll be back. Okay group, still here at Chatfield. Got train 746 coming. There he is down there. Our wheeling is not too far from behind me either, so 746 I believe is hauling coal loads. they're approaching, so. And there goes that one. Okay, the wheeling, there is a wheeling behind me, probably waiting. I don't know how close he is at. He said he's at the 7-4. I got it. In fact, that's him now.
N S Chatfield dispatcher wanted to go east, over.
Location in Woodshire from going east, I'd say trip over.
Alright, just sending notification, thank you.
Okay, he'll be here pretty quick here, so we'll be back. Group, this is a shot I've been wanting to get for a long time around here for a wheeling. This will be coming. He got the clear to head across the diamond here. He's got only 76 axles on here. Normally they'd be hauling rock down through here, but it don't look like this is the case. Liquefied petroleum cars. There she goes. Little bit of rock and roll past the diamonds, but all right. Yeah, it's about lunchtime. I think I'm gonna head back up to Attica and get some friendship chicken from the kitchen there. So, all right, we'll have more coming later on. Back at Attica, Junction, Siam. Got another CSF. Don't know who he is. Didn't hear a number. Probably some M number, but I don't know which. No, not an M, an I. Wrong. 3082. Adding this stuff. Boys say 3082. Hazardous something in there. I can feel the ground moving real good. Nothing shown. 70 ethanol. Got cars or trucks or something in there. SUV cars and things. There she goes. Yeah, see if I can get an ID on them though, but we'll find out. And it has warmed up to a grand total of 14 degrees. And actually it's almost tolerable outside. Okay, we'll see what happens here next. Got another eastbounder coming. Yeah, okay, the end is approaching. There she goes. Okay, I didn't hear him coming there. He just snuck up on me. Usually I hear the defect detector go off at the 12-mile marker, and I'd never heard him. Well, anyway, that's another one for the books. All right, we'll be back. Group. Got a westbounder coming. He stated he was IO 61. Hear him. 34 something molten. Man, I didn't read the whole number either, forgot. Appears the end is approaching down there. These don't seem to be like they're loaded either. Like they're empty. There she goes. Not sure, but I thought I heard the defect detector go off in the car, like there might be another one coming from behind me. I'll keep it here out and listen. Correction on the last train, it was I-161. I thought he said I-O, but it was 161. All right, we'll be back. Okay, got a Norfolk over here coming. He said he was 18M. I think I mean M18. But there's no such number as M18. I think he means 18M, which sounds about right. This is the manifest. Liquid calcium chloride. Sodium hydroxide. Oh, denatured alcohol. Oh, come on. Stupid camera. I can't even see what I'm looking at. Seen that before. Got a pair of DPUs coming. Certified Petroleum. Do have cars in there, some type, molten sulfur. More denatured alcohol. I believe the end is approaching. 3475. Yep, the end is approaching. There she goes. Okay, I don't know what else may be coming, but I'm going to hang right here for a little while and see what happens. We'll be back.
Petticoat Junction.